The X3 is the newest 360 camera from Insta360. 360 cameras are really cool because it's recording everything that's happening around you so you never miss anything. The downside is you at least have to do a minimal amount of reframing. The X3 can shoot in single lens mode, so instead of using both of these lenses, you only use one and it gives you a shot very similar to a traditional action camera. So with single lens mode and 360 mode, is this the ultimate action camera? That's what we're gonna find out. I haven't ridden this bike in years, but they say you never forget. I matched the settings the best I could except for the resolution. The Hero 11 can shoot video at a resolution of 5.7K. The X3 can only shoot up to 4K in single lens mode. Both cameras have amazing electronic image stabilization. The color profile is set to natural on the Hero 11. The X3 color profile is set to standard. On both cameras, the bitrate is set to high, medium sharpness, and auto white balance, shutter speed, and ISO. That way we can see how well the cameras automatically adjust to the changing light along the trail. On this channel, I'll keep you up to date on all the latest action camera news, reviews, and how-tos. Make sure to like and subscribe so you don't miss a thing. Can you tell which side is the Hero 11 and which is the X3? Let me know which is which in the comments. Personally, I like the image quality of the Hero 11 compared to the X3, but the X3 gets a point for versatility. The big issue keeping me from making the X3 my main action camera is the lenses. I say that because an action camera needs to be able to take a beating and the lenses get scratched all the time. The lenses on the X3 aren't removable like they are on the Hero 11. You can get lens protectors, but they could affect the overall image quality. I want to show you what makes the X3 so different. I'm going to set it up and we're going to do a 360 video so you can get an idea of what this camera is capable of. This is very basic, but it will help you see the potential of using 360 videos. This is one continuous shot, but I'm able to use keyframes to show different angles and views, kind of like someone's riding along with me. To see a side-by-side comparison of the Osmo Action 3 and Hero 11 Black, check out this video.